Alright, let's get right into it. Before we start, a quick pro tip that'll save you some headaches. Make sure your door is open and unlocked before you begin programming. This just ensures the lock can do its thing without accidentally locking you out or causing any alignment issues. Got it? Awesome! 1. Access the interior assembly and battery compartment. First things first, we need to get to the brains of the operation. That's on the inside of your door. You'll see the interior assembly of your Kwikset Powerbolt 250. Right on top of it, there's a battery cover. It usually just slides up or pops off. Go ahead and remove that cover. Underneath, you'll see the battery pack, and most importantly for us today, a little button. That, my friends, is our magic program button. 2. Initiate programming. Press the program button. Now that we've exposed the goods, this next step is crucial. Go ahead and press that program button once. You might hear a quick beep, or you might not, depending on your lock's current state. Don't worry if it's silent. We're just waking it up for action. 3. Enter code entry command. Press 1 on the keypad. Okay, now we move to the outside of your door, to the keypad itself. Once you've pressed the program button on the inside, immediately come to the keypad on the outside and press the number 1. This tells the lock, hey, I want to add a new user code. 4. Press the Kwikset logo. Still on the exterior keypad, right after pressing 1, you'll see that iconic Kwikset logo button. Go ahead and press the Kwikset logo button now. This confirms your intention to add a new user code. 5. Enter your new user code. This is where you get creative. Think of a code that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. You need to enter your desired new user code, which should be between 4 and 8 digits long. Take your time, make sure you hit the numbers clearly. 6. Confirm the new code. Press the Kwikset logo again. Almost there. To lock in that new code, we need one final confirmation. Once you've typed in your 4 to 8-digit code, press the Kwikset logo button one more time. This tells the lock, yep, that's the code. Save it. 7. Success confirmation and automatic learning. So, how do you know if it worked? Your Kwikset Powerbolt 250 is pretty good at letting you know. You should hear a long beep, and you'll see a green light flash on the keypad. That, my friends, is the sound and sight of success. Your new user code has been successfully added. But wait, there's a little bonus. The lock will then do something really cool. It'll automatically retract and extend the latch to learn your door's locking and unlocking direction. It's just making sure everything is perfectly aligned and calibrated. Super smart, right? Tips for success. Let's quickly recap some key tips to make sure your programming process is smooth every time. Door open and unlocked. Always ensure your door is open and unlocked before you start. Seriously, it's a lifesaver. Don't time out. The system is a bit impatient. If you don't press a button for about 5 seconds during the process, it will time out and you'll need to restart from the beginning. So, move with purpose. Add more codes. Want to add more user codes? No problem. Just repeat these steps from the beginning. Your Powerbolt 250 can hold up to 25 permanent user codes, which is a lot of friends and family. Test your code. After all that hard work, you gotta test it. Close and lock your door manually, then enter your brand new code on the keypad. The deadbolt should retract, opening the door for you. Visual, quick montage of someone testing the code. Door closes, code entered, lock retracts, door opens. And there you have it. Programming a new user code on your Kwikset Powerbolt 250 keypad lock is that simple. With just a few presses, you've added another layer of convenience and security to your home. No more fumbling for keys, just quick, easy access. If you followed along, you should now have a perfectly programmed lock and be ready to share that newfound keyless freedom.